Where our refineries, where una promise to fix. I been a Dangote refineries we go dey depend on. How much una don't make from removal of subsidies since una don't dey sell fuel for 600 per liters. People they sell their properties to feed their families. Meanwhile, you and your cronies they buy more properties. Shout out to Labour chairman, una well done. If the government say they no fit pay 65k, then make the pay senator and rep 65k. Make all of us they enjoy the suffering and smiling. What you give is what you deserve. Ojoro no day, free Nnamdi Kanu. Shout out to very black dark man. Where our daddy, Pastor Adeboye. During Good Luck Jonathan, your voice was so loud. You even vow to stage a 1 million match. Hunger and hardship under Tinubu government. You say Nigeria gets spiritual problem. Baba.
Guy, Ridwan, I started his channel. Ridwan, Olasukomi, Ridwan Media Channel. You know, he started his own YouTube. And for the best of anything, analysis as regards politics, even he's the spokesman of the obedience in Ogbaye. So I don't know. I want you guys to support his channel, Olasukomi Ridwan Media Channel on YouTube. So please just go there and follow that, subscribe to that channel for the best analysis on Peter Obi and everything politics. So do you not think that? Do you think that the government are ready to negotiate with Nnamdi Kanu finally?
The government should find a political solution to it. Now I've been speaking that it seems you see, no country can go where there is no justice, equity, and fairness. I've been speaking about it. I have no apologies, and God knows that if we want Nigeria to get better, which is our prayer, is until everybody is being treated as equal. You cannot beat a child and ask that child not to cry. You understand? The agitation in the southeast is due to marginalization, not anything. Forget it, forget anything. I respect our military, I respect everybody. But if you check the most checkpoints in Nigeria, the checkpoints in the east are the most checkpoints. But nobody can convince me that the eastern people are the most, how do I put it, have the most insecurity in Nigeria. No, but they have the most checkpoints. I spoke here the other day. I said, because we the Yoruba people, I'm proud to be a Yoruba person, I'm proud to be an Egba person. We have NUJ here, we have the most lawyers, the most journalists, we have the NUJ here. In military, the Hausa Fulani have it the most. There's military headquarters in Kaduna. Where, when it comes to business, importing and exporting, in Nigeria, the Igbo people have it. Whether you believe it or not, that's the problem. But it's the truth. Jesus says, that's my watchword in the Bible. John 8 verse 32. You shall know the truth. And the truth that you know will set you free. The people that are the most business and importers in Nigeria are from the eastern side. But they don't have a seaport there. So if we want all of us to feel included, I'm talking about inclusion in Nigeria, give a Yoruba man what we deserve, give the people what they deserve, then with that, Nigeria can move forward. We saw, for example, our court released Fulani S-Men leader the other day. So if there's a political solution to it, let Nnamdi Kanu be released. They are going to see less accusations in the south. And he said it himself. I didn't say it. He said, if you release me for so days, I will quell insecurity in the south. He said it. Nnamdi Kanu said it. So let us give him a chance. Let us see. Maybe, and like I said, I feel that our current president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is a listening man. I've been saying it. And that's my own feeling, that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is more of a listener. That's my opinion than Muhammadu Buhari. Then maybe if the Southeast leaders, the Igbo leaders, let them come together with the traditional rulers and traditional rulers, southern leaders and religious leaders. Let them come together and find a political solution to it. Because see, Nnamdi Kanu being released will bring unity. I mean, less agitations first in the southeast, then there will be security. Because let me tell you, one man's terrorist is another man's freedom fighter. You can see Nnamdi Kanu as a terrorist, but his own people see him as a freedom fighter. But if there is a political solution to it, that even if it's made to sign an agreement, let us see it. You understand what I'm saying? You understand? Because you see, I am proud to be an Egba person. I say it every day. I am first an Egba person, no apologies to anybody. I'm first an Egba person, then I'm a Yoruba person, then I'm a Nigerian. But an European man does not see me like that. He just sees me as really one of a Nigerian. So if we say something is happening, for example, in Abia State, We can say, oh, Abia, Igbo land, southeast. But for a man in Germany, for a man in Canada, Abia, Nigeria, it's as simple as that. So if there's security, with security then development will come. So if there's security in the southeast, development will come, then all of us can now be pulling in one direction. That's what I mean. So let them find a way, the government, starting first from the governors of the southeast. Let them speak with one voice. And let them find a way for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. If it's released, then we are going to see Sunday Igboho is in Germany. Is Yoruba agitator. We saw people from the north. You have been seeing repentant, badly repentant those things. So they find a way to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And with that, we are going to see that Nigeria as a country, Southeast will be more peaceful. And then Nigeria as a country will move forward. Then concerning the issue of Idris Abdulkarim that sang the song, Emiloko. He first sang about Nigeria under President Olusegun Obasanjo. What he's saying, nobody has come out to say it's a lie. For now, what he's saying is the truth. People are hungry. You saw the interview that we did with that woman. And I'm very happy. A blind woman, eventually impaired woman, trying to walk to find something to eat. And then you see people that are full-blooded, that are, able-bodied people. They can't even, they can't even go out to find something to eat, and they are begging on the street and everything. So you understand? So people are truly hungry. Salary is 30,000 naira. 30,000 fiche kini. So what I do with that amount of salary? How much is one, for example? How much is one tiger nut? How much is the biggest bread in Nigeria? 1,000 and I cannot feed you in the morning. You understand? So that song is the truth. They want next our politicians. They should put the interest of the masses at heart. We saw a report of how politicians have wasted money on just merriment. It's on the newspaper there. I know the newspaper. That's what I'm saying. For example, in Kenya, we saw how there was this increase in bread in Kenya over the weekend. People protested. They spoke to one voice. Now the government has removed. Now the bread is back to normal price in Kenya. In Nigeria, we can't do that. In 2024, we are still talking about tribalism. But like I said, hunger does not know you whether you are a Yoruba person. I am Willow Olasu coming from Abeokuta, Ogun State. He is an Igbo man. He is a Fulani man. We are all united in inflation, in hunger. We are the same. What you will buy for 5 naira is what I will buy. I told you, let me give you an example. 10,000 under Gulo Jonathan. We buy you a bag of rice. 10,000 under Jonathan. And I'm telling you about just 10 years ago, 2014. I'm not telling you about just 10 years ago, 2014. 10,000 naira, we buy you a bag of rice. We buy you not it was going to buy you some yams. Now, 10,000 naira now cannot buy you 8 days of rice. 10,000 naira cannot buy you 5 yams. Aboki go beat you because you want to steal it. Yeah. So poverty, inflation, and hunger does not respect whether you're a Yoruba man, you're an Igbo man, you're a Fulani, Kanuri, Ishekiri, Ibibio, Ijo. When you are hungry, you are hungry. Like I tell people, see, poverty has united Nigerians. But politicians, they know how to divide you. They do divide and rule. They're throwing that tribalism card. Now, people are united in poverty. Go to the market. The complaint is the same. But then, election will come. So people will be divided again. That's the problem. Poverty does not know. You are hungry. It's the same thing. One bag of rice for an Igbo man is the same for a Yoruba man. It's the same for a Kanuri. It's the same for Fulani. It's the same for Ijo. It's the same for Calabar. It's the same. Nobody will sell a bag of rice for you because you are from different tribe. Nobody will sell something for you because you are from different religion. Go to Aboki. Whether you are a Muslim or a Christian, it's the same it's going to say. There's no time. Because it's buying from market. So poverty has united Nigerians. But Nigerians will be divided again. Like they do every 4 years. So that tribalism card. Then your neighbor that is poor, that you know that you are poor together. That man is my enemy. Na Igbo man are my enemy. That Calabar man are my enemy. Those Yoruba people are my enemy. Those Igbo people are my enemy. Those Hausa people are my enemies. They are not your enemies. You have one common enemy. The common enemy that you have is your oppositions who have refused to make your life better. Who are spending your money on frivolities. What common enemy? You elected them. Ordinarily, they are your servants, but now they are your rulers. A government will do any road here. You start praising them. What did you elect them for? Somebody will come out and say, I'm a governor, I'm paying salaries. Don't pay now. You are even salary for your father's money. It is the right of the people. Do you understand? So until we Nigerians, first things first, excuse tribalism. Leave tribalism first alone. Think for yourself. Leave your bag outside. Leave that one first. Leave that one first. Are you now speak for yourself and like think for yourself? I'm a Yoruba man. How is an Igbo man? How is he my enemy? I'm from Abeokuta, Ogun State. No former governor of Ogun State has ever been a non-Yoruba person. There always been Yoruba person from Ogun State. So how is my problem another tribe? You know what I mean? In Nigeria, let me tell you, for Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani, Kanuri, Calabar body, most of our problems are local problems. They are problems being caused by your own people. Ask yourself a question: who is representing you at the Senate? Is it not from your tribe? Your House of Rep members. Ordinarily, they should pass a bill that will make. Okay, look at it now. According to what we heard, House of Rep said the airplanes of our president is faulty, right? So now they are going to fix it. Instead to pass a bill that will better me and you, our life. No, they will rather do this country. They will rather do something that will make them their life better. So our problems are more local than you think. That's why you have to, if you're an Igbo man, your problem, your problem, immediate problem, is not a full animal. Yes, a general problem. Because the way Nigeria is now, pray for the next 50 billion years, it cannot work. It's not the devil. It's not the devil. It's not the devil. Like Nigeria, that's why people are calling, okay, restructure the country. Let everybody manage their resources. It's simple. It's simple. So that hypocrisy will stop. Let me give you an example. In the north, for example, they said they don't drink alcohol. According to them, they call us the Isba police. Isba police will come and start breaking bottles of alcohol. But whenever, okay, they say the southern people drink alcohol, maybe not central. Okay. But then, when the VAT comes from alcohol, the payment of VAT comes from alcohol, the north will receive the highest share because they have more local government. What is the problem? 44 local governments. Lagos had 20 local governments. Okay, they removed the government from Kano. The government that they removed from Kano has about 30 something local government. Lagos still have 20 local government. You shall know the truth. And the truth that you know will now set you free. You can only be free, me and you, until now we've known the truth. Because Jesus is only truth. There's no other truth. He said, I am the way, the truth, and life. Emini or no. Otito ati iye. He is the only way. So now you have known Jesus as a human being. And you know the truth. Even if you are without religion, you know the truth. They work hard to now stand on the truth. Stop deceiving yourself in Nigeria. I'll always help you. Let me give an example. In my life, no project can ever use my head. Till tomorrow, they know I can say them anytime. I've not gotten 5 naira from any political party before. 5 naira. Because you know these things. They give you 5,000 naira a day. After 2 weeks, you finish the money. And what's the problem? Now, poverty has been so much weaponized to the extent that if they give people 500, they will vote. Activism without a job will make you a liability. Go and find something doing. Get work. And be contented. In my language, be contented. Anything that you have, thank God for it. How long will you? Told me. That's the problem. We know these things. All of us know the truth now in Nigeria. We know now. A Yoruba man knows that my problem is not an Igbo person. You know now. A Hausa man knows that my problem is not an Igbo person. Igbo man knows that. But they know that my problem is not a Yoruba person. Everybody is supposed to be wise. But let me tell you, poverty will never make somebody wise. Poverty is bad. When you are poor, and the greatest poverty is poverty of the mind. It's not even what you can eat. But how can somebody serve for governor for how many years? He still want to go to the Senate. How do I say my people? 8 years, what have you done? After 8 years, he still want to go to, maybe to be a minister. He want the conscience. After how many years? In my language, they say, Ilya years, it's just 8 feet. 500 billion naira when you die. See, that's what I like about the Muslim, that Islamic religion, is the way they bury their dead people. When you die, 1 6 yards of clothes, by Tietito, it's over. It's as simple as that. You have accumulated money. And I'm asking simple question: that is Nigeria a burial ground? Is Nigeria a burial ground? You steal all the money. You build us in Dubai, in London, in Qatar, in everywhere. You now die. They come and bury you in Nigeria. So is Nigeria only good to be a burial ground? Nigeria cannot be developed, Abi. You go to Dubai, your children are there. You are enjoying everything. Then you now come to Nigeria, you cannot develop anything. When you just die, they now bury you. So is Nigeria only good to be a burial ground? You know, see, this is a time that if the youth, the people of Nigeria, cannot tell themselves the truth, it is gone. They will divide you every time. Igbo man, okay, look at me now. How is an Igbo man my problem? Where do I know them from? How is a Fulani man my problem? How is a Calabar man my problem? They are not my problem. Are they my governors? Are they my House of members? Are they my senators? You are united in poverty as a nation. Then you just look at, this is our common problem. Politicians that have none of our interests at heart. Most of them. Let us speak. If the poor people in Nigeria speak with one voice today, Nigeria will get better. But what do you just do? Just give them crumbs. Start singing and dancing. 5,000 spaghetti, indomie, groundnut oil. Sometimes they give them a go to drink. I know it's nonsense. They forget their birthright. You can't continue like this. No nation goes forward when they keep deceiving themselves. Thanks for having me.